on a food bender this weekend, man. Went on a bender. What up, AB Mike? What's up, YOLO Trader? Got a trades in the house. Yanosh is in the building. What up, Yanosh? Bright and early. What up, Dennis Hood? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Level Up? Ewan. I see you, Ewan. What up, LeGrand? What up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Let me see. Let me just get the Zoom out. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Good to see you all. Good to be back. Let me just set up the Zoom link and get going. Perfect. How y'all feeling? Hey, can we get some W's in the chat? Let's get the vibes right here today. Let's get some W's in the chat. Let's get the energy going. Let's get it on our side, right? Let's get moving and grooving here today, chat. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. Yesterday was the calm before the storm, baby. So we're gonna see a big storm coming in the rest of this week here in the markets. So I'm excited. I think the Zoom link is out. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, there go the W's. W's coming in, W's going out, right? What does the word say? We're blessed coming in, blessed coming out, blessed in the cities, blessed in the fields, right? Blessed in the markets. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, let me share my screen. And I think we are good to go. Yeah. Ready to rock. Y'all ready to rock and roll? If you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like here today on your way in as you settle on down and we get to the charts here. Yeah, give the stream a like. What'd you guys do during Asian in London? Anything? Let me go. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good now. Perfect. All right, let's get the party started here, gang. Welcome everyone in Zoom. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. But everyone, welcome. So it is a new day. It is Tuesday. It is the 31st of October. So we are creeping in the end of the month here, and last day, right? Last day of the month. Let's go ahead. Let me just fix the camera here. Let's go ahead and see what we got in store for us here in the news today. So looking at the news here, it is Tuesday again, the 31st of October, last day of the month, and it's another day, right? Another day for us to be disciplined, another day for us to be professionals. Sit tight and wait for exactly what we want to see in the market, just like we do every single day. And typically that's when we have our best success, right? Is when we're sitting tight and making sure we're waiting for exactly what it is that we're looking for. Let me just mute this. All right, perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got going on in the news here today. So pretty clean up until about 8:30 here, right? So once 8:30 comes in, we've got this this employment cost index. You also have some stuff going on with the S&P. You got the housing price index as well. And then look, we've got news all throughout our session here today. So it should be pretty interesting. We should have volume. We're gonna sit tight, wait for our setups to line up with that volume, and then we're gonna for three, right? Bang. So let's see if we can get a nice trade or two off here today. But that's what we got going on. So we do have to kind of keep an eye out here for news throughout the entire session. Post NY open. Cool. So let's go ahead, dive into the charts, and let's talk about it. Y'all ready? Did you guys like the stream? Let me lower the music a little bit. All right, cool. Music good? I think that's good. All right, sweet. So let's go ahead. Let's do a top-down analysis here on gold, just like we do every single day here. So gold, let's go ahead, right? So monthly time frame. Let's talk about this candle here. It's the last day of the month. So there's 10 hours left in this candle, and man, we got a juicer on our hands, don't we? So let's go ahead. Let's talk about this, right? Monthly time frame, you have very, very strong level of resistance here, and then there's also a very strong level of support, right? So this is the range that we're trading in on the monthly time frame. Just created support, created resistance, and now we're waiting, right? We're waiting for this candle here to close. This candle right there is a huge closure. If we can close above these levels here today, then you should see a push up, right? You should see a continued push up here, breaking all-time highs. It would make sense for gold to do that, going based off of what we have going on with technicals, and then also going based off of what we've got going on, you know, around the world and stuff. So, you know, obviously we are in this rejection zone. We've rejected once, twice. We've also rejected a third time. This closure is going to be huge, right? If we don't close above, then there's a high chance that we won't continue up. Now, this is a wick area, right? So I would expect, let's say this candle here closed with no top wick, right? But we closed above. I would 100% expect the next candle to try and retest these wicks here, right? If we're gonna head down, I think it would look something like this. Before coming back down, we try and break these highs here. If we don't close above, I doubt the highs will break, or if we close with no top wick, I doubt the highs will break. If we do have a top wick though, I could see price continuing up, breaking these all-time highs. So there's really two ways where, you know, this next candle of November can go here, right? So it highly depends on the closure of this current candle that we're looking at now. So that's where we're at on the monthly time frame. May or may not get rejected here. We've got 9 hours and 58 minutes to figure that out, so we're not going to rush that here today. Last day here, so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly also did close bullish here, so we closed bullish right at resistance, you know, just not too far from resistance. Yes, we may be able to move up here. We are bullish based off of the previous weekly closure, so there's a possibility, right, that we can move up. But let's go ahead and see how we're going to find positions today off of the daily time frame. So daily time frame, it did close bearish, did form some sort of resistance here yesterday on the daily time frame. So we did break the lows already. Looks like we're coming up to make a top wick. Now I believe these lows broke early on in the candle, and that's never that good, right? That's never the best when a candle closes very quickly or breaks the lows very quickly here. So looks like we're coming back up now. Not sure if we're looking to just create a top wick to continue driving or what the case may be here. So let's go ahead and get some more information on this daily candle based off of the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, if you guys can see, we are in this range here, right? So you have a resistance here, you also have a support right here, and this is currently the range, right, that we are trading in based off of the 4-hour time frame. So look what we have, right? What do you know? We have clean traffic to the left hand side, or to the left on the top side. We also have clean traffic on the downside here. So once the 4-hour can really pick a direction, then I think you have a clean move, whether we're moving up or down. We are bullish based off of this current 4-hour close. So let's see, we still got some time, 2 hours left, so half of the candle is still upon us here. But based off of this bullish close, you know, we could potentially see price moving up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame. Oh, 1 hour did close above, but we closed with no top wick here. So 1 hour close with no top wick. You obviously have a pretty strong level of resistance right here. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute, we never closed above really anything, right? So kind of closed right at this resistance level with no top wick. If we can get a resistance formed, right, if the daily candle is bearish here today, and we believe that this is the top wick for price to move down, then if there's a resistance formed here on the 1 hour / 30-minute time frame, then maybe, just maybe, we can anticipate the daily candle moving back down. Right now, take a look. What is gold notorious for, right? Notorious for coming down, creating support, creating resistance, and then retesting the support, right? So maybe we could see that here, right? Gold has come down, created support, has moved up, created resistance, or working on a resistance here. And now if that resistance is formed, very high chance gold will come back down to retest that support that was formed earlier on in the London or maybe Asian session there. So let's go ahead and see what we can do here. So very strong resistance right here. Not going to take any buys. Candle closing no top wick. I think if we can get a candle closure probably back below this range off of this 1 hour time frame at NY open, then I think we could look to take our sells coming down here, right? So you have a candle closure looking something like this, and then we can take our sells during NY open, right, to come back down and retest that that support level. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here in terms of gold. Not going to be rushing any buys. I think buys are clean if you do get some sort of a range 2 breakout or range 2 move above this level here at 1999. So I'm not going to take any buys off of this 1 hour candle or anything like that. We did close with no top wick, so that's going to be a big no for me. If price wants to drive all the way up here, that's totally fine. But this would probably be the target, 2004, in terms of these buys. You could probably even stretch 2007 out of this, but 2004 is gonna be like the initial area there. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at here for gold. We've already moved up quite a bit, so if we can create some sort of resistance here, that would be awesome, and we can take sells anticipating the daily candle moving back down. Now if we do create a support, let's say we move down, create support, then yes, I think we could take buys moving up. But until we get that pullback, nothing really on the buys for me on this bearish day here. So that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. So looking for closures back below 99 here for sells, to anticipate a retest of that support down there and the daily candle moving bearish again after breaking the lows here. If we do get some sort of support formed on gold, then that's when I would potentially anticipate looking for buys. But as of right now, price has already moved up quite a bit. Not going to be looking for any buys anywhere in this general area here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, but I like the sells. I like the move down here on the daily after creating a top wick here. We just don't want support, right? So daily can also create support right here for price to continue moving up. So that's one thing that we're looking at as well, is that the potential support being formed and the bullish move here today. But we're gonna keep an eye out for both of them. And again, if we get that closure back in, we'll let our sells rip. If we do end up forming some sort of supports to move back up, then we'll consider our buys here today. So that's it, man. That is the day. That's going to be the day here on gold. So sells below here, and that's really the only play I'm looking at right now. If we can get a closure back below, that'll be awesome. If not, we'll look for some sort of range 2 buy above here. Yeah, maybe what we'll do is we'll if we do take buys here, it'll probably be based off of, yeah, maybe a 30 closure above 2000, something like that. Maybe even 2001 here for buys to continue up if we don't get some sort of a range 2. But in this area, it's a high level of rejection. I'm definitely looking to see if we can spot some sort of resistance formed here. So that's gonna be it, and I guess we're gonna be most likely waiting for NY open. Yeah, I think so. So that's going to be gold. Give gold some time to kind of create some new price action. It's just one big leg up here. So remember what happened last time in this area, right? There was a whole bunch of wick rejections here. Price moved back down at that point. So that's what we can expect here today as well. So that's what we're going to anticipate and wait for here. And then let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, I think, is just, yeah, to the moon. To the moon. I think the camera's blurry. Yeah, I think it's picking up my mic. Hold on one sec. Yeah, I think the camera's picking up my mic here. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen and see what the heck is going on here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly here as well. So monthly candle, let's see, did close. Oh yeah, oh wow, look at this monthly now, gang, coming back up. So 1 day or 9 hours left in this monthly, and we're steaming back up, man, after this drive down. So really wanted to see GJ move down a bit, but I don't know, man. I don't know if we're gonna get that here. Right, it's just been a constant move up since you know, the beginning of the year here. Some consolidation the last few months, but other than that, it's just been a big run up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly as well. So weekly is in has some consolidation going on. You know, right here you got a resistance. You also have a support right here as well, and that's pretty much the range that you're trading in. It's pretty choppy on the buys up on the weekly time frame. So let's see how the weekly candle closes here. We've got you know, the rest of the week to watch this, but we're very, very bullish, right? We're starting to break the highs here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily did create support in this consolidation zone, but man, the buys up are just super choppy here. So daily is pumping though, man. Daily is pumping. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours pumping as well. Really, honestly, gang, there's nothing to do with this. Like, there's nothing we can do with pound yen here. Nothing. Like, unless we get some sort of a new pullback and supports form, there's just nothing. Right? Nothing to do besides watch. So there's really that is the analysis on GJ today, right? Just I don't know. Just watch it, man. You know, if you do create some sort of resistance, I would say on the 1 hour time frame, there may be an option to clean the rest of this move back up, going back down. But yeah, we're super bullish here today. So to be trying to take sells and all that, I don't know. I don't know, man. Yeah, we need to pull back. So yeah, we'll have to wait on pound yen here today. It's one of those mornings where you just gotta wait. Just gotta wait here. So yeah, nothing really to do there on GJ. We'll stick with gold here. We'll see if we can get that resistance formed at 8:30, and 8 a.m. and see if we can capitalize on some NY open volume. And if not, then I think we've got to wait here for this red folder to come out. Cool. So we'll see where the day leads us here. But as of right now, that's going to be it. Another day. Another day to follow price. Good morning. Hope you have a blessed day as well. What up, YOLO Trader? Last day of the month here. Last day of the month. $30-minute time frame creeping back in the range here. 17 minutes left on that candle. 17 minutes. Let's breeze through the Nasdaq here as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with this pair. So really quick, daily did close bullish here, so we should see some buys today, moving up to like 14,560 up here. So that's probably going to be the target here on the Nasdaq, 200 points here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. Right, there may be some really good opportunities here today. So 4 hour did close right at resistance there. So we need to see some sort of a closure, right? If you do get that closure, you've got really clean traffic coming up here on the Nasdaq today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour and see what's going on down here. So we do need yeah, there we go. So I think buys above 14395 here. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah, let's get above that resistance there. And yeah, that's going to be your cleanest buys of the day. Super clean coming up. You got clean traffic. You've got a minor resistance right here to potentially use as target 1. And that's about, yeah, that's a nice move up. So yeah, Nasdaq looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and see how we could take some sells here as well. Yeah, buys aren't the greatest right where price is right now, right? There's a bunch of resistance everywhere. Maybe if you can get a closure above here, then you can possibly take advantage of this range here. But if the setup and the entry aren't there, yeah, that's a 42 pip range there. So you can look to take your buys probably above 14374 to move on up here. And if you can't get buys above there, then maybe just wait for this resistance level here. So that's what I'll be looking at for NAS 100 today. And then in terms of sells, probably gonna look for sells below. Yeah, probably look for sells below these support levels here. Anything coming down before here can just create support to move back up. So yeah, I'll probably just wait for sells. Probably won't take sells here on Nasdaq today. Yeah, probably not. Everything looks very, very good to continue up here today. So yeah, I think you get a close above this area here. You break that previous daily candle high, and then you should have no problem moving up here today. So that's what I'll be sample sizing here for Nasdaq. Chillin'. Cool. We good? What up, classic trader? Which broker am I using? I'm using ACAP and Dominion Markets. Sergio, what up, Sergio? How you doing, bro? How you doing? What up, Pete the G? I love that name. Pete the G. Good morning, Jeanette. What up, Dominic? Where them T-bones at? Hey, yeah, we got a lot of steak here, man. Oh, Adrian with the dono. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you. You did not have to do that. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. The G's on. What up, Yanosh? How you feeling today? Yeah, no, we're going to start the Dominion Markets account on Monday next week, I believe. Yeah, Monday. Yes. Yeah, I don't know. You guys want me to keep showing my which account? I don't know which account you guys want me to show here. Feeling fantastic. How's my weekend? Oh, great, bro. Great. Incredible. What up, Jay Finesse? About to finesse these markets. Make a poll? Alright, we'll make a poll about it. Yeah, it don't matter to me. I got a copy trader, so it's gonna be on the copy trader regardless. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with Professor X a little bit there, yeah. Gotta finish this one out. Professor X. You guys are gonna go from watching like 3, 4, 5,000 floating to like 3, 4, 500. Where's Green at? Green here today? Am I still using Social Trader? Yes. I just hit you, Greenery. Green with Don. How was your evening, Nick? Oh, it was great, man. We had hibachi last night for Brother Joe's birthday, so that was good. Had the kids out at the restaurant. Then we went back home and finished up our dessert bender that we've been on since Saturday. So yeah, it was good. It was real good. Some people go on party benders. We just went on a dessert bender. just had dessert every night for the last like 3 nights. But it's back. Green's always here, yes. Always. Where big man Sam? Sam should be here soon. Go big or go home, Joe. Which indicator do I use for the orders on at MT? The only thing I use is magic keys. So this is the only thing I use. No indicators. This one expert advisor that I use, and all it does is help me open, close positions, close partials at the press of buttons, and just completely transform my entire trading. But that's all it does. You know, that's it. Simple stuff. Yeah, just completely changed my trading. Yeah, exactly. Other than that, it's the EYES indicator. Am I considering sells on the 1 hour close? Yes, I am. Yeah, the 30 minutes going to close here too in about 7 minutes. The 1 hour closure leads us into the NY Open. Raw count or standard? I am using the standard. What is it called again? I forget what it is, but it's like a new account type where it's like 10K or above. So I forget what it was called. I think it was called like Standard Plus or something like that. How to handle stress after a loss? What kind of stress are you dealing with? What kind of stress do you have after a loss? access to paid signals. You don't answer my message on Discord. Let me see. Do I have any message requests? Message me right this moment. Yeah, message me right now. Isn't this the fake outfit closes back in the range? Yes. Yep. Yes, the potential fake out here. No top wick. Potential fake out. We'll see. Monthly candle. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see about this monthly. We got 9 hours and 34 minutes left. No. Do you follow chart patterns? Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. What's good, Johnny boy? Oh, no, we don't want to make John the host. We just want to unmute him. What's up, buddy?
Morning, Nick. It's good, brother. Doing fantastic, bro. How about you?
Blessed and highly favored, man.
That's a fact. Woke up today hype and blessed because I woke up today, right? Another day, another opportunity to live the life I want to live, right?
Mm-hmm.
How could I not be happy?
Mm-hmm.
Morning, chat. How y'all doing? Happy Tuesday. Another day, another opportunity. Be patient, be disciplined to our system, right? Know that the win for today is us following our plan. Nothing else matters. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, man. How's your morning going?
Going great, man. Going great. Just finished up a little while ago. My routine. Charts are looking good. Waiting on this resistance.
Yeah. Yup. Let's go.
But how's your morning?
Fantastic, bro. Was out up and out early. Getting the brain going.
Beautiful. Got to remind yourself. Chat, right? You need that daily sell yourself to yourself going on. You need to remind yourself of what you're heading towards, what your goals are, what you're capable of, right? You need that. You need that daily reminder for yourself.
Yeah. One thing I've been doing a lot lately is just walking a little bit, getting outside early in the morning, get some oxygen, get the brain going, man. Some of you guys roll out of bed and boom, you guys want to make financial decisions. That's crazy. Yeah, if you guys are just rolling out of bed, get into the charts, there's a better way. There's a better way to do this. Right? Get up out, get early. Don't look at I don't look at any computer, anything for about 2 hours, after I wake up. So get the brain going, right? Get some oxygen in that brain a bit before you start trying to make big decisions.
100%.
Yeah. I used to do that. Yeah, man. I try and get up early. And if I'm going to get up early and leave my beautiful wife, I want to make it worth it. Right? I want to make things worth it when I'm up early. I don't want to just wake up early and do nothing, right? There's a strict routine that gets followed day in and day out. So that, I believe, is what really has, over the years, set me up for just momentum to take control, right? And it's on cruise control at this point. One of the things I learned early on was to break up your days into mini days. And if one guy has, 365 days in a year, imagine if you split one day up into 2 or 3, right? And so I would start booking things. I learned this from Ed Milet. I would start booking mini days in my day. And what that did was that made me skyrocket. My productivity compared to the peers I was with was on a whole nother level. And it's no surprise that the slight edge took over, right? And the compound effect ended up taking over and really, becoming into effect. And I think that's what really built up a lot of momentum for me. It wasn't that I was doing anything super special. It's just that I was doing things day in and day out consistently. So if you can develop those good habits day in and day out, we like to call it the separation effect, right? And what'll happen is you'll start separating yourself from your peers. You'll start separating yourself from those around you. And guess what? In the beginning, it won't look like much is happening. Actually, it may look like they're doing much better than you and you're wasting your time. But over the course of time, that's when the compound effect starts to really play out. And then eventually you'll look and you go, wow. You start blowing by people as if they were standing still. Momentum is a beautiful thing. Yeah, that's true, class. Just walking. Sometimes it's better than running.
Definitely.
When do I sleep? I sleep every night. I sleep from 10:30 p.m. ish to about 4 a.m. ish. Jesus never ran. I like that one. We walk, right? Like the song that we play at the end. Walk.
Oh. Hey, walk. It's debatable. Walking could be better than running too for fat loss. A lot of benefits from walking.
Yeah, man. It's all about separation. What are you going to do, right? I always thought the years are going to go by anyway, right? So why not make a difference in those years, right? Why not separate ourselves from the masses of people? And one thing my mentor really taught me early on was just, Nick, observe the masses and just do the opposite, right? If the masses are hanging out and they're watching TV at night, you need to read books and sit, and do those type of things versus, if most people are listening to music or talk show radio, you need to listen to some sort of podcast, some sort of, educational content. If, you don't have to, unless you're trying to get ahead, right? So if you're trying to get ahead, these are the little things, the insignificant things that all add up over time that really make the big difference in where you go.
So true.
Yeah. 30 celery would be nice here. I don't want to take a sell here. 4 hours still bullish. 1 hour is still bullish, right? We have not closed yet. 30-minute is whatever, right? And 15-minute is also whatever. So I want to wait for NY Open. So that way we have volume coming in. We have a actual resistance formed. And, you know, that would also lead the 4-hour start moving bearish here as well. So we may start to see like a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, right? Starting to form up here on the 4-hour. $5:30 of sleep. Is it hard? Is what? Wait, 5 hours? 10:30?
Hey, it's hard if you make it hard.
5.5, 6 hours. That's typically good for me.
Whatever is for you is, right? Whatever you think you could do, you could do it.
Yeah, about 6 hours is fine.
If you're hungry enough, you'll get up.
Chat. I be going to sleep. I be having the noisemakers, the lullabies on. You know, we've had babies in our room now for what, like over almost 3 years. So, and then we're having another baby too. So, it's just gonna continue rocking. I don't think I'm ever gonna ditch the noisemakers, man, and the lullabies. Those things put me out, make me sleep like a baby. How many parents in here? How many of you guys? Any of you guys just hold down the noisemakers even after your kids like grew out of that phase? Because I think I'm gonna keep rocking them noisemakers for the rest of my life.
See, I used to be the same way with the fan noise.
I'll put you
like,
out.
I would love that.
The fan?
Yeah. A lot of people, I'm sure.
Yeah, I got a 1-year-old daughter. We still on them. I fall asleep to noisemakers. Yeah, man. Oh, damn. All the way into middle school? Still rocking them. I joined the stream by liking it. Wow, that's a real one. Skeleton Soldier. Thank you, bro. How old are you? How are you, brother? I am, man, blessed and highly favored, man. Honestly, I couldn't be doing better. I don't know what else I'd rather be doing right now than this. Noisemakers. Yeah, white noise, fire. Yeah, that's true.
Ooh, rain sounds. Jeremy, I love that one. I could easily I can easily fall asleep to the sound of rain. So peaceful.
Can't sleep without him. All right, cool. I'm not the only one then. Lovely. Yeah, I told my wife, I said, honey, I think we're just going to keep these, man. We'll just let them rock. I mean, we still got more time, so. But even after the kids are out of that phase, man, I'm going to still. That's a sleep hack for me.
Heck yeah.
We got a lot of scammers in Kenya. I like you. Keep it up, bro. Oh, yeah. Thank you, man. Oh, yeah. Let's see. GJ is tough. GJ is very tough, man. To take sells, I mean, yeah. I don't think so.
I looked at GJ today, made a story out of it, and I was like, today I'm not taking any sells on GJ.
Today, I was just like, yeah, we need a day. GJ needs a day.
GJ, you want to pull back for me? Give me some support. I'll take you on up, but I'm not taking any sells.
Today your account could be 400K. Yes! To the moon! This account's going to the moon, gang. I tried to sign up with Dominion Markets, but they aren't taking any US clients. You'd have to register as Bitcoin. To the moon, baby. I receive it. How are you going to trade with no reference to the left? Good question, Coach Carter. It gets very difficult. Yeah, we traded up in these ranges. It gets hard. You know, you need data, right? So once you're up here, it begins to get a bit difficult, right? So I think I traded in all of these highs, and you know, just waited, right? You got to wait for new ranges to form. Unfortunately, if there's nothing to the left, you can't really do much. You know, we just need price to create those ranges as it moves up, and just gotta wait. It becomes a patient game at that point. Yep. Yeah, I traded all of these highs here. 2020, 2022, and then recently here in 2023. Oi, what up, Sam? Sam
Oi.
Capital is here. Oi. Oi. Oh, he's in the chat.
Oh.
Big man Sammy. Big Warren J in the house. What up, Warren J? Bring out the whole oi. We got motion. We got oi motion in the chat. Motion,
Hey,
motion.
free Sam.
Is Sammy boy here?
Sammy boy's here.
He's here.
Sam the man.
Let's free him. Scream free Sam till he's free. Sam. Oh man. Stay doing that. Stay doing. There he is. The golden boy.
Oi!
The man.
Oi.
What's the word?
Oi.
Blessings.
How you doing, Sam Capital?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got a lot on my mind right now. I think I'm just gonna let it out. Blader, blader, blader. What's the word? What's the word?
Oh.
Hey. Blessed and
I'm
highly
feeling
favored, bro.
problematic. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. We
I'm
feeling-
hype.
Time to eat feeling problematic on the charts today, boys. Watch out.
Motion.
Watch out. You're gonna kill it. Call the coroner.
Call it.
Yes, sir.
Call it.
Let's go.
Call the coroner.
Call it.
What up, chat? What up? Malone, I see you, bro. What up, bro? What up, classic? What up, Yonosh? Yogesh? I like that, bro. That one rolls off the tongue. Yogesh. Yogesh someone.
Yeah, it rolls off the tongue nicely.
Rolls
up,
off
Green?
the tongue, baby.
This dude was probably like, oh boy, he's got a lot on his mind. What is he like?
You thought he was gonna throw up? Nah, he's not negative Nancy. He's not negative Nancy.
Y'all thought I was about to come in here and start crying.
Start crying. All of a sudden, you would just see me mute him, and then just go like this.
Yo, I would tell you to. I would start crying.
Hey, where'd Sam go, everyone? I don't
suck.
know.
Yeah, you can come back when you're done being a little girl.
Technical difficulty, internet connection. Not too sure what happened there.
Gone. He gone.
That's a mood. People wanna
gone.
like
What's the move?
when people wanna be negative, that's the mood. Like you just wanna mute them.
Yeah, Dad. Come on, bro.
Yeah, that's typically what I do in real life. They
Yeah,
could be
mute.
talking to me, I could be nodding my head, but I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm like, but I'm
They
gone.
talk, but little do they know they on mute.
You guys ever seen that movie with Adam Sandler? What was it called again? Where he had the remote control. Click.
Oh, man. That was low-key sad.
Click. Start muting people. Boink.
Hey, I hear you, but I ain't listening.
difference. It's
Yeah,
not
there
that I'm
is.
talking too fast. You're just listening too slow.
Good morning, Nasia.
Nasia, good morning.
Yeah, boys. I woke up today hype. Just for
Me
another
too.
day.
Me too.
Hi. Me
Woke up
too.
feeling great.
Now that we're off of that dessert
My
bender,
blessings. Yo, for real, bro.
Yeah, we
I even
went-
hopped on that a little bit yesterday.
we went on a dessert bender. Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, that chunky monkey.
You you got that Ben and Jerry's the other day, bro. And I was just thinking about it every single day. And then I broke yesterday, bro.
You broke.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we earned it though, right, John? We earned it.
You definitely did. Back to not eating that junk.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. 1 hour moving up now.
So we still in the chat. Hype to get back to ground beef. Facts.
Yes,
Grass-fed ground beef, chicken, eggs, steaks.
Yeah, Sam, you gotta try the milk and cookies one. That one's
Is
one's
that the one
money.
that you got?
Yeah.
I was like looking at the names of them and I couldn't remember. I was like,
Americone was fire too.
Yeah.
That one's gas.
There's so many of them, bro. I was just like looking up and down the freezer where they're all at.
Gotta try bison. Yeah, bison.
Happy Halloween. Yeah, it is Halloween. Bro,
Facts.
maybe I'll like Wait, hold on a second. I'll be back.
Sam's gonna get us. It's getting spooky.
Oh, spooky season.
Minimum of 12 eggs a day. Oh, nice. Beast mode.
Carnivore-ish. Sugar is yo, facts, Jeremy. Sugar is so bad. Like if you just cut sugar out of your diet, you'll see a huge difference.
Yeah, sugar, man.
That's
Sugar
what-
should be
that's what
illegal.
gets me. Word.
They got bags of that thing in the supermarket.
Man, all the Ben and Jerry's, all the crumble cookies around here, like all the donut shops, it explains a lot of why America's the most obese country. It explains a lot.
Yeah, you gotta get them pasture raised eggs, man. Them free range. Let them roam. What's your opinion on Halloween as a follower of Jesus? Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like Halloween, man. We went to a carnival. We tried to get there early, but man, it was the demonic spirits were already moving through there. I had to get my family out of there, man.
Yeah. Just think about it. Would Jesus be there? Like if Jesus ain't
Well,
there.
yeah, he'd be out there. So what's crazy is as I was walking in, there was a guy out there preaching, and once I walked in, I wanted to leave. So I left and I started talking to the preacher, and we were talking for a little bit. But yeah, so I was out of there quick. It was getting spooky.
Get spooked.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, you just got out of prison?
Yeah, I'm fresh out the pen. Me and Andreas.
Me and Andreas. We did a bit in the
Let's
county
go.
real quick.
My boys are out. Free my boys. Yo.
Yo, that boy just escaped and just jumped into someone's mansion. About to go Olympics pool swimming.
Yeah, it's that energy, right? That deer? The energy.
Yo, my mic unplugged, bro. Them wired headsets got me.
Yo.
What were we saying? Oh yeah. Fresh out the county.
Out the
Me and
county.
Andreas. Yeah, I think that's the back of it. I can't read, bro.
Go.
Inmate number 696969.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. But I do.
Man, it's free.
It's my Halloween costume for today. Prison Sam. Yes.
You get afraid of demons? Never. Never. They have zero authority.
He has all the authority.
Yeah, the carnival was not a Halloween one. Like it was just a carnival, but then during the evening it started getting, as that sun started going down, started getting a little.
Yeah, bro, these costumes be wild, man. Nowadays.
Yeah, Tandy's costume. I see that.
Yeah, we got 10 minutes here for this closure.
Halloween is not like what it used to be like when I was young, bro.
That's too funny, actually. Prison Sam? Yeah. Prison Sam.
That's what should scare you for Halloween. Sam gets locked up. That's why I'm wearing it.
Pennsylvania man was caught speed racing, and he won't make the live stream.
Pennsylvania man was caught printing his own money.
He was trying to
Cool, they do it. Problem if I do it. Trying to pause.
Oh, look, we got the ribeye showing up here.
Oh.
Oy.
Hey, chat, would you guys be confused if we started calling Wickfill's New York Strip? We got a New York Strip coming up here.
Wickfield should stay the same.
Yeah, nah, but it's New York Strip, bro. New York, let's get it. What's up, Vortex FX? I'd be really confused. We got the New York Strip coming. We got volume coming in. New York Strip ahead of us. We can probably get about 20 points off that New York Strip right there. The filet mignon.
Time to eat, y'all. Time to eat.
We need
Hey, yo, we need
a
hibachi.
yeah, that's funny. We need the hibachi play.
Hey, yo, hibachi last night was, mwah. That slapped. That hit the spot.
Yeah, it was good. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Lasagna play. Classic trader. Good morning. So good, yes.
Call the triple A plus setup is prime rib.
Hell yeah, we do.
She primed up.
In fact.
What's up, Daisy?
Hey, Daisy, good morning. The host is a ghost.
Host done a ghost. Nick Stew's ghosting us right now, guys.
Facts.
All right, let's see. Got 5 minutes here. 5 more minutes. May have a 1 hour celery play here.
If that's the case, Daly might want to make a steeper top wick.
Yeah, you got about a 22 pip New York Strip. I mean Wickfield, and then you got about a 43 pip target up here. Yeah. 4 hours is pretty bullish. See how the 30-minute closes here. Wasn't able to make the stream. Yo, Just Pele, we missed you. We missed you. You weren't the last one on to comment on the live stream. We missed you, man. Good to have you back. Waiting on them steaks. Oh yeah. Steaks.
Chilling, baby.
From Somalia. Yeah, that's why the channel's name is Time to Eat. Because it's always, we love food. Let's buy gold. Let's
always time
do
to eat.
it. Let's do it. 4 minutes left on this 1 hour candle here. Looks like we're trying to close above the range here, right? As long as we're remaining above 1999 here, then I think there is a high probability that price could move up as we break the high. We got volume coming in here at NY Open, so we will see. Stops will be about 29 pips. Nice move up here. Sammy boy, some insight on news today? What you got cooking, Sam?
Let's give her a look. Let's give her a look. See. We got employment cost index. Let's see. They're expecting no change, so I don't know. Might see a low volume at the release, especially if it does end up changing. They're expecting it to be 1%, alongside with the previous release was also 1% back in July.
Yeah, they that high too is the 4 hour high as well, so start re-breaking that 4 hour high. Might see a push during NY Open here. Looks like we closed below, but we're faking out to maybe create a new support here on the 30-minute.
They're expecting no change with the news. If we see red numbers, we should at least see gold spike up at the release. If we see green numbers, we see gold spike down.
All right, lock this in here. May have buy stops here on the break of the highs at NY Open. Right, you've got about a 20 pip wick fill, and then a pretty decent resistance here at 2004 to potentially tap into. So this may be a play here for some volume during NY Open. And if we don't get exactly what we want, we will wait for the news, but there may be an opportunity here. One minute.
Lock it in.
Yeah, we're looking at a 1 hour celery play. Right around the same place we took buys yesterday.
Yeah, literally.
Beautiful. All right, 3 seconds. We got a candle close, and we'll see where we're at here. Oh yeah, buy stops on the break of the highs here, chat. Yep, gonna have buy stops here on gold. 8 a.m. 1 hour celery play. If we can come down and make a bottom wick and break these highs, then there's a very high chance we will continue up here.
I like that.
I like it. It's up to you. You guys can leave your stops either below the lows here, back down here. Either way, you're back in the range on those stops. Or you could just make them the current candle. So whichever stops you want to use. I'm going to be using previous candle stops, previous 1 hour candle stops here. And yeah, should be a pretty decent move up if we break that high.
Yeah, I like this. 1 hour salary, 4 hour looks clean to move up, and daily would like to make a steeper top wick.
Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be like TP1, and then TP2 is up here at this resistance level. Yeah, looks good on the 15 as well here. 15 closed bullish, 30 closed bullish, 1 hour closed bearish, but above the range here, like a celery play. So yeah, looks pretty decent. If we break the high, right? We got to break the high.
Big if.
That's also the 4 hour high as well here. Yeah, if it gets late, then we will delete. If it's coming up before news or something, we'll probably delete.
I understand it's a random outcome to this trade, so don't over risk. Right? Risking your liking.
What do I think about GJ? I don't really think much about pound yen here today. I want to see a support form. So if we can get candles to come down and create a support for us, that would be awesome, right? If we can do something like this, create a support somewhere down here, that would be lovely, right? Once we get a bullish closure, we can now say, okay, we have support, and potentially now price can move back up here. So that's what I'll be waiting for on GJ. Not going to take any sells or anything like that. Anyone looking at think markets? No, I'm using ACAP. Yeah, GJ, I just think we need some sort of resistance. I mean, support formed, and then maybe we could look to take more buys.
Hey, good morning, Sandman. It's good, brother.
Sandman. Yeah, so what we'll do, so you guys see the plan for if we move up in positive P&L. If we move down, so if we get activated, go into a little bit of profit, move down, and then let's say we break this low here, I'm going to close most likely about half of my position when we break that low. So if we want to break the low and come down to create a steeper bottom wick, I'll close half of my position. And then if we re-break the high again, then maybe, just maybe, I'll open up the other half again. But if we do go down and break these lows, I'll go into drawdown with about half the risk that I would normally, you know, have on this trade here. But we have to break that high, right? That's the key. Previous 30 no bottom wick, yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, hold on, chat. Give me 1 minute. We should be good. I don't think we'll get activated in 1 minute. Hold on.
barcode strategy on the 30-minute. Yeah, this trade is based off the 1 hour. If you look on the 1 hour, there's a clean bullish breakout, celery breakout above the range on the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is it's a more higher probability time frame than 30-minute. Or I should say higher confirmation time frame. What's your stop loss, John? My stop loss, the previous 1 hour candle. My stop loss is 1997.50. Someone please help me every time I go to use my magic key that says auto trading disabled. Make sure your algo trading is on. It should be in like the up right corner on your screen, like somewhere around there. Make sure you got algo trading on. Let me know. Bro, I want to invest, so invest. I definitely support investing in yourself, definitely.
Invest in yourself. So yeah, so 15 closed bullish, right? 30 closed bullish as well. 1 hour also closed above the range here with the celery play. 4 hours bullish. So yeah, if we break that high, I mean, that's the high on every time frame here. So dun, 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 dun. Don't forget, guys, full margin is acceptable on celery. Yes, it is. It is. The best thing you could do with the magic keys issue is maybe try and uninstall it and then reinstall it. Sometimes when all else fails, that tends to work. Oh, 15 pack runner maybe? Try the uninstall it. That helped me like 1 or 2 times. There should be in your journals, I think there should be a code that it's probably giving you, or is it just giving you no algo trading? Hey chat, we got we're looking into 2 new mods here. We've got our eyes on 2 new mods, and yeah, so possibly coming up here in the next couple days, maybe next week or so. Yeah. All right, it looks like I've been activated here, chat. So I got into some buys here on the break of the highs here on the 1 hour. So it's a 1 hour celery play. And stops are being kept below the previous candle high. I'm going to look to target 2007 here. We've got NY open, got some volume coming in, breaking the 4 hour highs here. TP, or actual initial TP, is going to be 2002, 340. And we'll look to see if we can take this thing up. Cool.
Beautiful.
Should have volume moving into the market. If we do break the low again, I'm going to close half my position. And then if I do get stopped out, it'll just kind of basically risking half of what I intended on losing. But 1 hour celery play, got a very high chance of this candle moving up here as volume dumps into the market. So it looks pretty good from a technical standpoint. So we'll see what happens here. MT4 won't let me place a trade. I heard something was going down with MT4. Yeah, heard that.
Oh. For real?
Yeah.
I heard with some of the brokerages yet.
Damn.
Yep.
I have no idea why.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what is happening, but yeah, I heard something was up with MT4. Shutting down.
MT5's out there now.
It's either MT5 or nothing.
If you ain't using MT5 at this point, wait.
Yeah.
That's your sign to get MT5.
Yeah. Metaquote doesn't support MT4 anymore. Yeah, that's what I heard. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so all my Hugo's Way, all my KOT traders. That's it. Time is up. You are no more. Let's get rid of this. No more scammers. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, they can't fake the MT4 anymore. No faking the MT4 anymore. Yeah, if we come and break that low again, I'm going to be closing half the position because we shouldn't break the high and then go ahead and break the low again, right? We already broke that low. We already created that low. If that low is established there, then that should not break. Yeah. Are you long on this? Yeah, long. Yep.
See?
I have 8 MT4 accounts. All are fine. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, chat. I'm going to move my stops. I'm going to move my stops below the lows here. If we break those lows, then there's a high chance we will drive down, right? So we should not break those lows here. So I'm just going to put my stops there. I'm going to cut my loss just in case this candle does drive down. Cut my loss from like 1% or 2.5% to a little bit under 1% here. So we'll see. It shouldn't break the low if it wants to drive up. It could break the low and drive down here, but if it wants to move up, it shouldn't break that low. So let's cut our risk in half and be ready for it if it happens. News in 15, yeah, news in 15. So yeah, we could range for sure. Hopefully we stay ranging above here and then maybe move up here on news. Yeah, we have 820 coming here too. So let's see what happens on this 5-minute closure. And then we got 820 coming. So we'll see what happens if we want to continue moving up or not. All right, 15-minute candle close. It did close bearish, right? So if we break the low, yeah, there's a high chance of us coming down. So I think those stops are good there. But everything still looks pretty clean on the 1 hour and the 30-minute and the 4 hour to keep moving up here. What are my stops? My stops are the current 1 hour lows. Current 1 hour candle low. Push. Could we get wicked out? Yeah, of course. You know, the 30-minute candle will close. I'm expecting the 1 hour to keep running up here. Yeah. Johnny Boy with the sniper exit yesterday. Joey Boy with the sniper entry. Man, these dudes are running circles around me here, bro. Sam.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks sick on MT5.
Yeah, fact.
Johnny Boy had that flex close on MT5 yesterday.
Or that was money.
Did I close half my? No, I still have my full position in. My man Joe took that entry that we're trying to take in like 2 years on the pack runner. The one that where we sniped the actual pack being caught. My guy sniped the pack.
Literally.
On his birthday.
For real.
Big birthday.
The pack happened and my dude entered. Sniped that. Sniped that entry.
Sniped it. Oh, Pete the G found out how to close partials. Let's go.
Nice, nice.
News coming? Yes. Yep, I know. Exit though.
If 820 got any volume on it.
Yeah, we'll see if 820 can take us for a ride up here. That'd be awesome. News in 10? Yes. Yep. Call it the exit with Johnny Boy. Oh, nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I was expecting it to go there.
Yeah.
Target.
Yeah, logically, that's where it was headed.
Yeah. Good stuff, Daniel.
Strap in. The amount of things I learned here for surfing this stream for 3 months. Oh, nice. Hey, God bless you, bro. Brutal. Brutal.
Right,
in a
it'd be
good
nice
way
to break
out.
those 15 highs.
Yeah, let's see if Comics Open can run us up here. We got 1 minute and we should see volume. Hopefully we move up on this volume push and not down, right?
Let's see.
So it should get pretty volatile here.
Now the juicer, come on.
How do you close partials? I close partials on MT5. Yeah, I do mine on MT5 here. What's going on? Everyone's wondering what's going on with MT4 here today. MT4 playing games.
Now.
Close that B. Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna just let it rock. Cut my risk in half already from my original risk, so yeah, just gonna let it rock here.
Bring out the volume. Come on, Goldie.
Yeah, if we hit like 10 pips before news, maybe I'll close partials.
Yeah, I love to hear that, Pete the G. Music to my ears.
Oh yeah. Can you use KOT? No, I don't think KOT offers MT5 yet. I know they weren't doing that for a while. So I don't think you can use MT5 with KOT still. Secured at 10. Oh, nice. I didn't get 10. I got about 9, 8 or 9, I think. Some pickle juice. It's a good day. What up, the groomsmith? How you doing?
Great day, baby. Groomsmith. It's good.
Let's see. If the 5 closes with no top wick, I'll probably delete. If not, I'll just hang on to it. 3 seconds. Yeah, probably just hang on here. All right, chat. Right there, I'm closing partials. It was like 9.5 pips. I'm gonna move stops to break even as well here, prior to news coming in, and that'll be the trade there. So if we can get a continued push up, that would be awesome. But the only reason I'm deleting here is because the only reason I'm closing partials there is because news. That's it. Otherwise, I'm hanging on to this trade. Everything looks super clean to move up, but news coming in, don't want to get clapped here on news. So got about 9.6 or so. So just about 10 pips. Yeah, if we head towards break even, then I'll probably just delete it. Yeah, there we go. I'm out. So perfect. So close partials there before news. Got 9 pips, about almost 10 pips out of it, and that's it. Just let this thing ride now till news. See where news goes, and if news pushes us up, though, man,
Right.
y'all who are holding are in for a ride.
Cause you know,
Yeah.
I wonder if we'll see some volume.
Yeah, everything looks pretty.
I'm not expecting volume in news. It goes crazy.
Yeah, everything
Sounds like
looks
nothing.
super clean on the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. All looks good. 4 hour looks good. So yeah, let's see. We got 2 minutes here for news. We'll see what happens here.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight in the orbit of Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Three, two, one, zero, zero. Discovery, go and throttle up.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
See what news does. Which key do you use to quickly bring stop loss to entry? You're talking about which key on Magic Keys? The stop loss at entry one.
Johnny boy, you ready for the ride?
Yes, sir.
You in?
I got B on that.
Oh,
No, I
you
got
did?
B on
Okay,
that.
okay, cool. Sam, you still holding?
Maybe.
Don't tell us when price is all the way up here.
But when I say what I think it's gonna do, it always does something crazy. Like, we'll see.
1 minute here. I'm
This will be
curious
my
to see if
commissary.
these stops would have held here. Let's see.
I'm curious too.
I feel like it wants this 15 pack bad. I ain't gonna get.
Oof.
See that?
Which way will it go? Who's holding? Who's holding, gang?
Joey Stu's holding.
Joey Stu's holding?
Yeah.
All right, brother. Let's get it. Here comes the news in 5 seconds.
Go. Juicers.
Juicers for the boys.
Oh.
Oh, W chat.
Hey, grab that pack. Hey, grab that pack.
Grab
Like I
the
said.
W.
Now
W
I
closure.
Yeah, for real.
W closure chat.
That was cool with B.
Let's go. Yeah, I think my stops would have got hit there. Oh, maybe.
Nah,
Let's-
mine would have been smoked. Yours would have been smoked too.
Nah, I had stops sitting right here.
Well, when you moved it to the current candle.
Yeah, I still had him a little bit lower. Let's see,
Oh.
Joey. He's still holding. Telling you, we re-break that high now. Things a
Yeah.
goner.
My
This might be a
maybe. No, okay.
off the flip.
Yeah, off the flip here.
Damn, bro. Might be a.
I'm still in. Let's go, Joe.
Oh,
Let's
bet,
go.
bet.
Oh boy.
Go.
Oh, shit. All right, we're gonna enjoy this for Joe. Hopefully it pushes
on,
up
Joe.
here.
Juicers.
Big 1 hour close here in 30 minutes. Big 1 hour, 4 hour closure here. If you close back below the range, it's our time to sell. But if we end up continuing up here, then that may be a different story. Stop me out 10 pips later. Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty happy I was in and out of that before news. Pretty happy with my exit there. I was really
I'm
trying
happy
to
with that.
fill that wick, but we had about another 9 pips or so before originally I wanted to close partials, but with that news coming in, it's just wise to, if you're looking for 10 and you see 9, it's a wise decision to close, or 9.6 or whatever it was. Do I suggest closing? I mean, I personally would, if I was in this, man, that's tough, bro. Like, you really need to see how this candle closes here. Oh, that 5 closed bear, actually. Okay, that's why we didn't run up. But, yeah, man, it's tough, right? I want to see the 1 hour close before really any decision could be made here. Because you may continue to close above. You may even close bullish on this 1 hour candle, right? There's still 27 minutes left. So one thing I could say is we did break the 1 hour lows, but we also did break the 1 hour highs here. So I don't know, man. There's really no decision to be made just yet.
More info.
Yeah, you need more info here. Yeah, so if you want to trade on the front end of news, then you have to be legitimately willing to take what the market can give you, right? So you guys notice how I shifted at one point. I said, if I get 10, I'm closing here. And that was when we were about 4 minutes or 6 minutes left until news. So I wanted to get that next push on that 5 minute candle before news and then skate out of there, right? Just get close partials, go BE. That's my experience due to the news, right? And yeah, I think it was a good decision here, but nothing really to be done right now. Where does everyone stop sitting at?
I took a 25 on it. This is tight. I have my stop below the bearish 15-minute candle on on the 15.
Yeah, this is our resistance. If we remain above this resistance here, then very high chance you'll see a nice move, right? But what you want to see to go bullish now is a bullish candle closure back in the range, right? So you want to see maybe this candle close outside the range and then a bullish one close in the range for price to keep moving up. And that would probably won't happen until about 9:15 now, 9:30, somewhere when we get this next dump of volume coming in. So right now we're just residuing off this news. I don't know, it's unpredictable at this point. Highs have been broken, lows have been broken. So yeah, you just got to wait now for this this closure here. got slipped 13 pips on stops. Yeah, that's why. That's the scary part about news. Man, one time I got slipped, gang. 70 pips. 70. I hit the broker. They said, "No, man, there's nothing we could do about it. Lot of nonsense going on in Russia and Ukraine right now. It's uncontrollable." Oh, okay, whatever. But that was also
Like-
on a funded account too. That was Traders Global there. So
Ooh, my. We all know what's going on now.
it was only supposed to be a 30 pip slip, but I got 70.
News.
MFF
slip
had
to
to
hell.
add something on that.
We got fundamental news. Slip to hell.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's on. They'll never realize. Yeah, big 4-hour closure as well. Yep.
That was really great risk management right there.
Yeah, as you guys know, risk management, you'll see me tidy up. I already know what needs to be done. There's no more. I already know what needs to be done in my risk management system. So you guys are going to see some pretty cool risk management on my end moving forward. $70, yep. Most I had was 100. Yeah, 100's a lot too. Yeah, normally we never trade ahead of the news or even during news, right? I mean, almost every day we wait for news to close, but this was too good of an opportunity to let go at 8 a.m., right? With 30 minutes left. You had a wick to fill here, so we tried,
Yeah,
right? We tried getting up there. We almost had the same position as yesterday there.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah, very.
Bro, I was targeting.
Yeah.
Targeting for where I targeted yesterday.
Yeah, same
Really?
area, but news held us up here. That 5-minute close bearish. That was the director there. One pip on piss, 70. Yo, I was tight. Waiting for my phase 2 account login. Let's go, Louis G. Hey, yeah,
Louis G.
man. Let's go. What about where's George? George, did you get your live account login? Talk to us, man. Man. Yeah, very, very rarely will you see us have a position open before news. Right? How often do we really do that?
Not really ever.
1 hour celery play was
Usually-
just too good.
Usually we don't like do it if it's like 15 minutes before news
Yeah.
or so.
Yep. Let's mark that trade up real quick. Yeah, I hope you guys study your markup. When you guys mark your trades, I hope you guys study them, right? Don't just go in there and mark them up and then leave it. The cool part about the blessing of having the live stream for me is I get to go back and watch it. So I get to go back and watch every trade, which is awesome for me. If you don't have that though, like just go back and really study this stuff, right? And you don't really get anything from just writing it down and never looking at it again. So you want to always go back and look into this, right? This was hold on. So breakout and celery. Yeah, breakout celery. Celery, man. It's been a minute. Holy. When was the last time we took a celery, man? Oh my goodness. Nah. Wow, we haven't taken a celery since July. That's crazy.
Ish.
That's crazy. I knew it, man. I've been missing the celery, bro.
example of market conditions changing.
I'm just gonna put. I'm gonna put 9 pips. All right. Yeah, good trade. Good scalp right there. Yeah, it's been a hot minute, man. But look, hey, we are bearish on the day here, gang. So if we are creating this high now and, you know, poking up there and this 4-hour close is bearish, then what could we say about the 4-hour time frame? Well, 4-hour time frame is in somewhat of a downtrend here, right? You had this push down, this support, this new resistance, this new support, right? And now maybe rejecting off this level here to continue down, right? So maybe we could see something like that here over the next couple hours or the next 2 or 3 4-hour candles. But if this candle does close bearish, then there's a very high chance. And if we close below resistance, there's also a very high chance that we'll go down. So now it's all about this closure in 18 minutes. Someone said it in the chat, big closure here, right? It's going to give us a lot of information. Unless we actually close above, then we don't have the green light on the buys just yet, again, right? So now we got to sit on our hands and wait. Got to sit back and wait for the next best setup. Hey, how come you guys never remind me to fix the record on the wins? It's been a couple wins in a row now, and I haven't had anyone say, yo, fix the monthly record. Yo, damn. I gotta remember on my own when it's the wins. Losses though, y'all quick to remind me. Hey, yo, win rate. Yo, fix that win rate. Win rate.
Hey, what is that? 5 wins? Sure, it's
Sure.
not 6.
Cheers to 103, gang.
Here's
It's like I look over at chat and I could just tell by what you said and how you say it. You're giving me like that death stare, like change that record, bro. Monthly record. I don't see that extra loss on there. Let's go. Get it on there.
accountable.
TK's in the building. Hopefully TK was here in time for that one.
Okay.
Fix the loss. All right. So will we move back downtown here now? Sells are really what we came to the charts looking for here today, right? Prioritizing sells, anticipating the daily candle making a top wick, moving bearish now, breaking the lows, and, you know, moving down, right? Moving down somewhere in like 19 towards this 1980 range here. Peter Griffin. All right. Yeah, I had to get that sniper exit because I couldn't let John hold the crown any longer here today. So I had to get that sniping.
Yeah.
All right, you're next, John. Fired back on you.
I bet. Say that.
Hit stops. No worries. As long as you guys made that decision, right? You guys had the opportunities to make your decisions. So, you know, as long as you stuck with what you felt was best, then you have a lesson there, or you just, there is no lesson, right? So maybe next time you could do something differently, maybe not, right? Maybe you just want to stick to that plan and follow what you were doing, right? So as long as you stuck to your plan, you all knew news was coming out. You seen my decision pre-news, and you know, you had a decision. So hopefully you just stuck with the right decision. Whether it's a win or loss, that doesn't necessarily matter. It's just, did you stick to your plan? And was the plan good, right? And if it wasn't, then you have an opportunity to make an adjustment here today, and you know, have some experience for next time.
That's why it's important to study your trades, right? Not just losses, but wins also, right? Because Nick said the most important thing is following your plan, and then any adjustments can be made after the trade, right? Like, you want to make sure you're following your trade while the trade is taking place, and then after the trade, you can look over and see what you can improve on.
Yep. Yeah, so if this candle closes pretty weak, you may see the next 4-hour candle drive down here, right? Break the lows. Look something like this. Get your downtrend. Oh, get your downtrend going here. All right. See what happens. Yeah, the lesson. Yeah, you blew your account. Yeah, trust me, the lesson you've got today will be worth millions of dollars to you in the future if you allow it to, right? If you get the right perspective and you can handle it in the right perspective, pretty much, right? And understand that there's a lesson here, and that lesson can catapult your trading. Because if you lose or blow an account today, well, you're still going to be trading for, I mean, if you're serious, right, for the next decade, maybe 2 decades, maybe 3 decades, right? So that one loss today, although it seems like a monster, like a big, massive thing, in 100 trades, that loss will not matter. And the only way it will matter is if you learn from it, right? And if you can learn from the loss, that will that'll actually make you profitable in the long run. So, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Every lesson, right? Every failure brings with it success. So look for that success in your failure. Help it move you forward.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah,
be that solution finder. Always looking for solutions.
Yep. Yeah, that's true, AB Mike. That's true. You know, imagine if athletes, imagine if guys like Derek Jeter, you know, they just struck out a couple times, or maybe they didn't get on base, and they just thought, you know, I don't think baseball is for me, right? I don't think they do that, right? I think that they go, and if they find themselves in a little bit of a slump, they go to their coach and they talk it out, right? And they work it out. But they don't. What they don't do is get down and gloom and sit there and think about it in their hotel room, you know, for the rest of the season, right? They understand, okay, we did some things wrong. Let me go in, let me counsel my coach, let me find out what adjustments I need to make, and they keep winning, right? They keep moving on, moving forward, and doing what winners do, which is winning. So, same thing in trading. GJ Joe's. Yeah, if we get a support on pound yen, I want to see a support lower, right? Because I want clean traffic to trade. So in order for that to happen, we need these candles to move down here, right? If these candles can move down, now if you get a support formed, what do you have to the left? What did those candles just do for you, right? They gave us some clean range, so that way we can retest the high there. So I want to see a nice move down here on GJ. Create that support.
I 100% agree.
Yeah. um, 1 minute. 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 1 min Yeah, that's true. You're already ahead of the game.
Yep.
Every loss is a bridge to success. Yeah. And look, you guys have seen that with me, right? So you guys have seen me look at my losses, and you know, sometimes I'll look at the loss and I'll be like, there was literally nothing I could have done differently there. But then there was other losses, right, where I looked and said, you know what, was there an opportunity to manage risk? Was there, oh, here there was, right? So now you guys see me working on some of the things that are let's say not holding me back, but holding my trading, no, basically just I'm not as profitable, right? Taking big losses like that. So, you know, one thing that I was very strong on was managing risk early on when I started trading this style of trading, right? And then I looked into, and you know, one of the other streamers taught us about waiting for candles to close before managing risk. And honestly, that worked for a good amount of time, but over since Q2, I would say, that way of risk just hasn't been playing out in my favor, where it was the entire first 2 quarters and even Q4 last year. But now I need to make some adjustments, right? So now you guys see me making those little adjustments. Like, when did you guys ever hear me say, while this was open, you know, when this if this 30 breaks the low, I'm gonna close half, right? So these are little tweaks and adjustments that you're seeing me make on the fly, in terms of managing my risk better and upping my game, you know, so you can really see how it all goes down. It's not like, you know, once you're a good trader, you just don't make adjustments anymore. It's constant adjustments, constant, right? It's like when you drive a car, you think you're just going straight, but little do you know, if you don't move your arm, you're making these little fine tweaks, little fine, because the road is never just straight. There's always some sort of, you know, adjusting to be made, right? So try and drive on the highway and just hold your hand straight and see if you stay on the road, right? So you always got to be making these little adjustments, these little nuances that need to be shifted. Sometimes it happens quarter to quarter, sometimes it happens year to year, sometimes, you know, you got to change things when, you know, big fundamental things. So there's a lot of catching up to always do as a trader. You know, you're always making those tweaks and adjustments and keeping up with the current market conditions. So yeah, it's good to see. It's good for y'all to see me going through some of that as well, which is, you know, really what we wanted, right? We wanted just to share transparency with traders, so that way that they could see that, you know, it's okay, right? If you have to make those tweaks and adjustments here and there, and something's not working for you, it's okay to you know, finagle with it, right? And fine tune it. Facts from a previous semi-truck driver. Yeah,
And
exactly. There you go. Go ahead, John.
you see Nick's mentality too here, right? If he was to take losses, he was looking how he could reduce his loss or have a higher win, right? So you see the mentality here. He was looking to improve. Whenever he was hit with trial and error, he was looking to use that to help him succeed, right? Is how you think when you lose, right, determines how long it'll be until you win, right? The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not like them hitting trial and error, right? Everyone's gonna meet with trial and error, but the difference between being successful and unsuccessful is how are you gonna handle that problem? What is your perspective gonna be during that trial and error, and how are you gonna get through it? You know, because successful people will get through their problems, right? That's why they're successful.
Mm-hmm.
And we were talking about simplifying things yesterday or the other day, and simplify this, right? Whenever you're hit through trial and error, just know that the successful person is he's gonna get through that problem, right? He's gonna help himself get through that problem. He's gonna have a positive perspective on it. So next time you get hit with trial and error, if you want to simplify things, right, it's gonna be much more simpler than that. Then what would a successful person do? And I know that a successful person would think differently, change his perspective to help his trial and error, help him to move forward to where he's trying to go, right? He would help that negative become a positive.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. And successful people, or, you know, they're not afraid to ask for help. Like, I wasn't afraid to go talk to some other traders about some of the things, right, that we're experienced, or I've experienced this year, especially being on the live stream now, right? It's one thing to be trading on my own, but now taking every trade in front of thousands of eyeballs, or hundreds, or couple or 1,000 plus eyeballs, right? So there becomes a new mode of psychology that one needs to tap into, right? So there's a lot that goes on in fine tuning the way things play out in your success and your trading, whatever it is, right? For us, it's just trading, but it works the same way, right? It works the same way in all areas of life. So don't be afraid to ask for help, right? I went and talked to multiple traders and got some really, really good advice. So never be afraid, man. Drop the ego, bro.
Hey, no one's gonna remember you, right? After your life, like people spend so much time worrying about what other people think, but the more he just continues to do nothing, no one's gonna remember him anyway, right? So go out. It's not gonna matter after you're gone. 100 years after you're gone, go out and do what you want to do.
No one's gonna think about you in 300 years. 2,000 eyeballs, yeah. Yeah, so you guys imagine you guys, like before this, I just traded with a couple of my buddies. But just imagine you started trading, right? You were trading with a few friends, and then very quickly started to begin to trade in front of hundreds, and then creeped up to thousands, right? So you understand that there's another level of psychology that now I could tap into, and being that I was already very good in psychology, it was an amazing it's been an amazing challenge for me, and just an amazing ride to be able to do this and do it in front of all you guys. So it's been dope. But can you imagine some of the added pressure that can come with that, right, to a trader? And if they don't know how to handle it, they're gone, right? They're gone. That's why you see a lot of streamers pop up and then pop out, right? They're here and then they're gone, because there's a lot of dedication. There's a new psychological level to get to when it comes to that. And most people, even the best of them, really can't make that adjustment. So, yeah. You don't need money to be happy? No, you don't. I know homeless people who are happier than guys that I know that make millions of dollars. And I'm talking way happier. Way happier. Money is nor good or bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. There is no good to it. There's no bad to it. If you're a good person, I'm sure you'll be able to do a lot of great things with it. But, if you're a bad person, then probably won't go too far. Indicator tools? I don't really use any indicator tools. Don't really use that much. Not that they're bad or anything. It's just I never really enjoyed using them. Wow, look at this 4 hour now. See if we can keep breaking the lows here. Yeah, we might get a resistance here on the 4 hour time frame. Later. Yeah, we'll see if we can get the resistance. Nice talk. I have a question. The account you're managing personal, or it's a funded account? And how do you manage risk between if you have two accounts? I manage risk the same way. So I have a copy trader. So I just put one account on a copy trader, and any move I make on the master account gets duplicated over into the copy account, or secondary account, whatever it's called. All right, so we got a new 4-hour open here. So 4-hour candle did close bearish. So very nice here. We have a 24 pip move down to the most recent support on the 4-hour, and then we can get going. There's a 140 pip range here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame as well did close very strong bearish. Previous stops are 70 pips, right? So we're not going to do that. Let's hang tight here. Just wait a few minutes and see what price wants to do on the opening. I still think we're about a little bit more than halfway through this range at this point. Yeah, about halfway. We're at the halfway mark here. So we'll see. We may take sells after we create a top wick here, but there's about a 35 pip move down, and then below that is a really clean range. So we'll see what happens on this 1-hour candle, but I want to give this 4-hour a little bit of time to get going, and then we'll see where we're at that point. $2001 closure above for buys. 2001. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not so into the buys currently. I think price may be ready to move down on the daily now. So yeah, I want to see a top wick and then possible sell stops, but it's a new 4-hour candle, so I'm not going to trust that top wick right there. GJ's doing great. Come on, GJ, come on down. If GJ can come down again over the next 30 minutes and then create support for NYSE Open, then that may be okay. That may be okay. Yeah, I'm not going to jump on these sells here. Not yet. 2 minutes into the 4-hour candle here. Big no-no. Did you also face the problem of closing trades too early because of the fear that the trend might change? In the end of some of them would have hit full TP. Yes, of course, that's happened in everyone's career. So I think that's once you've really got things down, it's just now understanding how to manage your trade properly and making sure that you always want to listen to the market itself. Like for me, I always want to listen to the market. So whatever the market is saying to the left, I want to base my trade off of that data. I don't want to base it off of, I want to have 20 pips today, or I want to have 30 pips, or I need to make this amount of money today, or, I have to secure this amount of pips. I never really do it that way. I always look left, and I want to see where price can reject. So there's a lot of rejection within this whole area here, right? So if you take a sell here, well, you have a support here, but then there's also some areas, right? So what you want to do is you want to look for structure points. Maybe something like here, right? Like, oh, maybe I'll move my stops to break even when we get there. It's 13, 14 pips, or, I'll go break even here and then maybe close partials there. So it's all about whatever the market is willing to show me in terms of data. That's how I'm going to manage my position. And then, that's how you walk away with a good feeling, right? You plan the trade and trade the plan for the most part. And that's how you walk away, every day feeling good. Okay. I didn't try and shoot for the big home run, the big 80 pip move that I used to want to get on every trade. I just simply take what the market's giving me. So that's worked for me really well, and that's what I'll continue to do here. And then sometimes trades are gonna run, right? Sometimes you're gonna close partials right here, and trade's gonna run all the way down here. And then these are the days where I used to come out with the I shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? I shoulda, coulda, woulda. I shoulda did this, coulda did that. If I woulda did this, blah, blah, blah. I coulda had this. So you gotta get rid of all that, right? Clearly, there's a structure point here in which our style of trading calls for a decision. right? So whether it's 80% or break even, you've got to live with that decision, right? You've got to make that decision before you take the trade and live with it as you do. Even if price drives all the way down, that's fine, right? That's fine. You can have a runner going there, but you can't say I coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Because if things would have tapped in here and then pulled back, you would be like, man, I'm so happy I did that, right? So just stick to the logical plan day in and day out. The profits will add up, right? Things will line up for you if your system is profitable and healthy, right? So yeah, we're trying to come up to make a steeper top wick here on the 1 hour time frame. I'm lost. Are we still in the long? No, brother. We've been out of that long. I exited way up here. Yeah, we're out of the long. Yeah, we got out of that position before news. So we've been out of that position for like 45 minutes. At what point do you decide that the day bias has changed? Typically that comes down to these ranges, right, that we see here. So a lot of times you'll have these ranges within these lower time frames, and these will indicate whether or not. So like, notice how we needed a range 2 buy above here. But anytime we get a celery almost works as a range 2 most times. So that's why I was willing to take it there with volume coming in. But notice we technically, if there wasn't volume or a session open, we needed a range 2 buy above there. So until you actually get a range 2, then the bias really doesn't switch. But let's say you're looking for closures below. So the closures have everything to do with pivoting throughout the session. And if candles start closing and you get this move up and then you get a support formed and there's volume, well, there's a high chance we'll retest the resistance now and you'll see a new leg up. So it's just all about candles printing and what they're printing as and when they're printing it, right? And whether or not volume should continue us in certain directions. So it takes a bit of experience, I'll tell you that. We have some sort of, we have FOMC, we have NFP this week here too, so. Right, first couple or last couple days of the month, first couple days of the new month, so it could be a little quaky here today. When do you know what time frame to look at? You want to look at, you'll see me moving around from all of them all the time. So I'm always bouncing back and forth, making sure things look good, making sure things are lining up, right? You always want to look. Right now I see, what do I see here? So the daily, I see a potential move down, right? Because we made a top wick and we're moving down. The 4 hour, I see that we created a resistance, right? You got a pretty good exhaustion wick here. Resistance formed. And now you've got a low here. So you're trying to make a top wick on this candle, right? The 1 hour time frame is pretty engulfed, right? You had a big candle here. Nice move down. We broke the lows again, but we didn't create a top wick yet. So there's a decision that needs to be made is, am I going to take a sell for 25 pips? Or am I going to wait for the candle to actually close below the range to trade in this clean traffic area, right? So if we get an actual closure below, then you have clean traffic to the left. Daily candle will be breaking its own lows here, and then that should indicate volume coming in. So, you know, sometimes that's going to happen based off the 1 hour. Sometimes there's going to be volume coming in on the new 30-minute candle, and you'll have to see if that makes sense on the 30-minute to execute positions. But it's all about bouncing, right, from one time frame to another, and just continuing to make sense of everything throughout your session. You need to buy food for your son and wife? Yeah, send me a message. I'll send you a couple bucks. Send me a message on Discord. 52 is in range 1. That was broken down. That 1996.52. Wait, I'm not sure how to respond to the question. My bad. I mean, if we create a support here, then there's a potential. Oh, are you talking about like above here? Closure above? Is that what you mean? Johnny Boy's back. Back in
Sir.
action.
Back.
Yeah, I think you were talking about if you close back above here. Yeah, that 1996.52. Yeah. Yeah, that could yeah, I see what you mean. Okay, I see what you mean now. So forget about this line here. If we had our original resistance on the day, which was right here, and we needed a range 2 breakout above there, if we get a closure on support, then can we move back up as a range 2? Yes. Yeah. My bad. I wanted to figure that one out. Is that the answer you're looking for? I think that's what you're referring to, right? This was our original resistance. So we weren't going to take these buys, but we were going to take range 2 buys. Maybe? Hopefully. Oh, damn, Sergio. You going to put a portrait up of me? Oh, man. It's like, you guys ever seen that, you have like a picture of like your great-great-grandfather at the bottom of the stairs? Look at him. Look at that guy, man. That guy set us up.
You have a picture of you in your room.
Just have a picture of me and on my live stream or something. Correct? Awesome. Perfect. Yeah, that is correct, my friend. Yeah, good eye there. Good call. GJ bleeding? Bleeder.
I love it. Is it? He bleeding. Wake your juice up.
If you consider bleeder 12 pips, then maybe. It's bleeding. How'd the 4-hour close? Bullish, right? Yeah, 4-hour close bullish. Right at resistance. So that's what I mean. I want to see a drive down so we can move up from down here, right? Support being formed down here somewhere. So we have some, at least like a 30 to 40 pip range. Eat it.
Definitely. Need some range. Yeah.
Yeah. What do I mean by range 2 buys? Range 2 buys are just pretty much in a way like a break and retest or a break and fake out, something like that. So as you see here, like we were looking for range 2 buys above this level because we don't want to get faked out, right? If the daily candle's bearish, then at any time there could be a fake out that happens here for price to move down. So instead of taking the buys off the rip here, what we do is we wait for a range 2. So we wait for a break and then a retest or like a fake out like you're seeing here before, you know, really expecting or anticipating the bigger move up. So that what that was designed for was to save us from being faked out in these ranges. And once you have that second range, that kind of confirms, okay, you know, we can start to move up here. So that's what the range 2 is. So yeah, we may get a fake out here. We got 15-minute candle closing, 30-minute candle still open. So yeah, 9:30 coming up soon. And yeah, more volume should start to dive in here.
What do we got? News at 10, right?
News is at 10. Yeah, I think we have news at like 9:45 too here. Hey gang, by the way, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Come on, gang, do it for me. Give me a like. Just one like. How many people are here? 1,400, almost 1,500, but only 470 likes. If you guys could like the stream, that would be awesome. It's the only thing I ask for on any given day.
Like it up for the boy.
Everything else is on me. But the likes, I'm counting on y'all, man. I'm counting on y'all. Where them 1K like days at, man? That's when we were hitting. We were just swinging a bat, hitting homers every day.
Nice.
Every day.
1,400 likes would be good. Yeah, YOLO, that'd be awesome.
That'd be great. It would need to be a team effort.
There you go. Thank you, guys. Thanks for some likes. Look at that. We went from 400 to 600.
Who remembers when we used to say it? Yo, everybody press the like button at one time, so that way YouTube sends the algorithm out, and it's like, yo, there's something crazy going down in this stream. It'll start pushing the
Yeah.
stream out there, everyone.
If you haven't liked the stream, like the stream in 5 seconds. Count it down in your head. Let's see how many likes we can get. Don't make me stare at it and it doesn't go up at all. Just make me look stupid over here. Like, here we go. All right, yeah. Everyone like the stream. Give the stream a like. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Look at that. We went from 600 to 640. 651. Beautiful. 51 people are getting a blessing today.
Beautiful.
Thanks, guys. I'll give you guys a friendly reminder of the likes maybe one more time before the end of the stream here. Every like gets $1? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. 708 likes. Man, we might as well get to 1K at this point. Oh, look at this. We got a juicer going on here. So yeah, I'm going to wait for the 30 closure here. If we get 30 close, then there may be a good opportunity for us. 711. Okay, leave it right there. Oh, never mind. 714. Sam Capital, would you go take a little swim? Little brief couple laps?
Take a little dip. Something slight.
Couple laps, eh?
A little dip in the pool.
Couple laps. Little cold water plunge.
That's key.
Had to jump out of the jumpsuit.
Jump at 7-Eleven always open? Yeah.
24 hours.
Oh, Maverick is awake. I can hear him. He's hungry.
He woke up hungry.
He woke up hungry. It's time to eat. Let's go, Maverick. Yeah, 15 celery, 30 breakout would be, or 30 onion would be sick. Maverick's hungry. Hey, how many of you guys were on our 20 or our 17-hour stream? Did you guys have a good time? Did you guys have fun? Did you guys learn anything?
Whose sleep stops were activated?
Anybody get sleep stops activated?
I slept good after the stream.
I slept good. Just arrived from work. Hey, welcome. Any trades? Yeah, we took one trade earlier. Took a buy on gold. Got about almost 10 pips. Epic stream. What up, Sandman? Yes, no sleep. Oh, I made it.
Sleep's boring anyways, bro. You literally just lay down on the mattress and close your eyes and just lay there for
And then just wake
hours,
up
bro.
again.
Yeah. Shit's whack.
It really is, bro.
Sleep stops got spreaded in.
And sleep stops people from getting things done.
17 hours? Yeah, man. It was 17. I was wearing this headset for like 17 hours straight. I think my brain was like fried.
Imagine you had AirPods. Shit.
Oh.
You'd be shocked. You'd be shocked.
Oh, George, Pastor George, thank you so much, bro. Thank you for the donation. Appreciate you. This is worth reading. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and hope. That is out of Jeremiah 29:11, one of my favorite scriptures in the Bible. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Blessings to you, my friend. Thank you, thank you. Good talking to you the other day.
Shout out George.
Yeah,
Shout out George, Big W. Warge. Pastor George, baby. I stayed
the
awake.
scripture.
Yeah. Yeah. You see, when I read that scripture right there, right, gang, when I was felt so unworthy of success, I just felt, man, my parents didn't do it. The people around me didn't do it. What makes me think that I could actually do something like this? And then I dove into the word and I read scriptures like Jeremiah 29:11 that said, the Lord had his own plans for me. Like the Lord actually had plans for me to prosper, right? To be in good health. And I started thinking, you know what? Maybe I am worthy. And as I dived deeper into the scripture, you know, the Spirit took over and my belief level became bigger. And I understood that, yo, this life is something bigger than me. Right? It's not just about my own anxieties and my own fear. There's something that's already conquered it, right? There's a victory in store. I just need to run the race, right? I just need to run the race in faith and that all things would be added unto me, right? If I just seek that kingdom first and I could lay all my problems, all my fears, all my anxieties down at the cross, right? Where they've been defeated by Christ. And that same power that lived on the cross is now living in me and potentially in you, right? And then those scriptures really shifted where the next couple years of my life went, and I'm so grateful, so grateful. So thanks for reminding me of Jeremiah 29:11, my friend. W for George. Plans for me to prosper? Man. Yes, amen. Amen. What up, Dennis Hood? Hey, buddy. What's
Dennis
going
Hood,
on?
what up?
Dennis Hood's in the house. Do you stream London? No, just New York. Really love to watch you, bro. Big love from the Netherlands. Hey, what up? Gyro? Is it Gyro or Gyro? Gyro? I like that name. It's a cool name. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. All right. We got a closure coming up. 15-minute hasn't done anything yet. The next 15-minute may be loaded with volume here at 9:30. And if it's not 9:30, then it may be 9:45 here. But we know the volume is coming. We know it's coming. If we can kind of get the same play as we took earlier, which was a 1-hour celery play where the candle closed, you know, you had a bullish close and then somewhat of a weak bullish / bearish close. That would be awesome here on the 15. We'd have entries on the break of those highs there, but we'll have to see how this 30-minute candle closes here. Want to see a bit of a pullback here. $15-minute seller at 9:30. Yep. Yeah, you're reading my mind. TK. Yeah, this looks good. 30 looking pretty good. Let's see how the 15 closes here.
Bring out the volume. Bring out the buffer.
Bring out the whole volume here. I miss Bruce. Yeah, we can never find Bruce in time. Bring him out. Brucey Bruce. Man, we haven't brought Bruce out in a minute. 9:30 celery might call for Big Bruce.
You're fine.
What do you think, Sam? Sometimes Brucey gets too loud. I gotta make sure the volume's straight.
Yeah, did you hear
Blow
it
your
go off on
eardrums
that?
out.
Blew my eardrums out. Yeah, I'm looking at a bunch of old ones.
Max volume. Gotta lower the boy. He gets loud. But then you don't want him too low because then it sounds soft. You know what I mean? Ooh, it's time. Gotta get him. I think the louder the better. Oh, 30-minute celery. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, we got 2 minutes here, chat. So if this 15 closes below and the 30 closes below on the 4-hour close bearish, the 1 hour also closed bearish, the daily's starting to try and move back down now. 9:30 volume coming in. I think if we break the lows here come 9:30, then you may see a nice clean move down, right? 9:30 will typically break through all of this, tap into probably 1991, 1992 here, and make its way down. So it all depends on this closure here. Yeah. Big close here. 1 minute. Could go either way. Could go either way at this point. Yeah, if we can close just like that, little light bullish, maybe super doji, something like that, then yeah, I think we're good. Oh. All right, let's set things up here. Let's get ready to party. Yeah, so stops are probably gonna be most likely. Oh man, stops are a bit steep here. So we may have to adjust stops a little bit. Let's see where the candle closes. We got a few seconds. Oh, looks like we closed above that 30-minute support there. So we closed above. 15-minute closed bearish here as well. Yeah, that gets tough. 30-minute did close above. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it gets a little tough here, chat. Right? 30 closed above that major support. If we do break these lows, you might see a strong push down, which is happening here now. But yeah, 30 did close above, so let's take a look at the 1 hour here. Yeah, nothing I could do there on the sells. If anything, the buy stops should be in play. Being that we did close above here on the 30, it doesn't look like we broke the lows yet, but oh man, that's tough. Tough closure here. Tough closure. GJ, nothing. Let's go ahead and see when the news is coming. I think we got news here in 15, right? Yeah, Chicago PMI, and then a red folder at 10. Yeah, man, that's a tough close there. Tough closure. I don't think we got anything here, right? We closed bullish back above the range. 15 is very bearish, so yeah, I don't see anything here. 1 hour looks clean to move down. 4 hour looks clean to 4 hour looks clean to move down. 1 hour looks clean to move down. 30-minute looks good if we break the low. It's just that closure above that's concerning me there. So I don't think we've got anything here, gang. At least I don't, right? If this is a good position for you, go ahead and take it. But I think we need to wait now. Yeah. Yeah, so you do have somewhat of a 30-minute fake out. The problem here is the 15-minute time frame. So if you can get like a 15, I think we have news coming in though, but what you really want to see now is like a 15 bullish closure, right? Somewhere back above, and then take buys above. Because right now, if you take it off solely based off the 30, then you may run into some resistance here. Yeah. Best to wait for 15. There you go, Zeke Gamer.
Rather stay out.
We should wait. Orange news. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait here. Oh, nice. 1.2K likes. Hey, I appreciate you guys. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we may move up here. We may move up. We slightly broke the low. Slightly. But nothing here for me. Yeah, it looks great, but I don't think so. Looks really good on the 30. But the 1 hour doesn't support the buying opportunity, nor does the 4 hour, nor does the 15, but the 30 closed back above. All right, so this looks like unfamiliar price action to me, and guess what's best to do when you're running into unfamiliar price action? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Stay away. Yeah, we'll just wait. full margin. Abort. So sellers have been activated. Now buyers have been activated, right? Sellers got activated off the break of the lows. Buyers have been activated, let's say, off the flip here. So let's see what happens. Who will win? Both are currently in drawdown. Bet the ranch. Oh. Now the buyers are seeing some drawdown. Sellers are coming back. Oh. A lot of drawdown now on both sides. Will you stay till 10:30 today? Yes. Took a big L today. Oh, my greed took over, but I wanted to buy too soon, so I made $100 loss. That's okay. Luckily, didn't kill my prop challenge. All right, good, good, good. Currently in a GJ trade. Nice. What are you in? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? There. Oh, buyers are back. Seven minutes for our news to come in here. $20 pip wick fill ahead of us. I would have already taken 30 trades. Yeah, man. Yep. I've been there. Oh, here comes the volume. 9:30 volume coming in. Let's see what was what stood out more. Was it the 30-minute? Will the 30-minute beat out the 15, the 1, and the 4 here? Let's see how awesome our 30-minute time frame really is here. What do you think, Sam? Buy or sell? Buy or sell?
I wait.
I wait. Yeah, the daily
Because
candles
I think
flipping.
exactly like what you were saying earlier about with the 4 hour versus like 30 minute, etc.
Yeah.
I think the same thing. And I think we have FOMC tomorrow, and I think we have NFP on Friday.
Yep, that's true. Yeah, could get spooky. We got Halloween today.
Yeah,
We got
last
Halloween
day of the
today.
month as well.
Might get spooky. Yeah, this could be a bit of a tough week price action wise, but it shouldn't be too bad.
We'll be alright because we do the same thing every day.
Yeah.
I don't understand why some people say that. Like, this is gonna be a week that it's gonna crush a lot of people that don't know what they're doing.
Right? Why say that?
I don't understand that. I never got that.
Where'd you get that information from, bud? higher time frames are really what are like holding up the lower time frames right now, because remember, we have a new month here tomorrow. So that monthly candle has to close, it has to open, so the new one has to open, so the lower time frame here are suffering a little bit. That's why you just see a bunch of sideways action here. The last move up was Friday, I believe, right? Yeah, Friday's move. Yeah, now what you have is basically consolidation on the 15, right? If we removed everything and just simplified this off the 15-minute time frame, there's nothing happening here. Nothing. Nothing. So just a range game at this point. All right, if we redrew all the lines to fresh price action, this is what you have. That's it. Nothing. News in 5? Yeah, news in 5. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Oh, nice, dude. Very nice. Good work, AB Mike. Peanut? Wait, Peanut's back? Peanut? Where is he?
Don't say peanut.
Yo, there was some other dude. I remember this guy's name, bro. This dude was roasting us. Roasting. And then, like, I think it was last week or something, I seen his name in the chat. He's like, yo, thank you guys for everything you've done. You guys have completely separated me from the rest of the trade. I'm like, oh, man, that's fun. Oh, 1.3K likes. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Give me a couple, 2-3 minutes. I'll be right back.
Oh, give me a high five.
Yeah.
Y'all in the chat. Bing, bing, bing. Huge. Yeah. W. Wow. I like that. Look down at the likes and you see way more than you were expecting.
Haven't seen that in a while.
Yeah. Bink, bink. 1.5? 1.5? Yo, bink, bink. Y'all are hilarious, bro. Look at the high fives that are going.
Yeah, right. Go. We do a little high fiving.
We do a little
We get
supporting the
2K.
homies.
Thanks. That's the
We got the
question.
best community.
Maybe Mike. Back, Sam. We got the best community. There's no community out there like TTE. Come on. Come on now.
Yo, the high fives are crazy.
You guys rock. You rock. Appreciate that. You know what that emoji reminds me of? You remember that one SpongeBob
SpongeBob?
episode? Yeah.
Where he's squirting the candies out of the thumb of it, bro? What
Yeah,
even was
bro.
that, bro? What even was that? Nah, I'm thinking of that.
Forget. I think it was like a glove park or something. Y'all remember that?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. But I'm like, what are you? The glove world, that's what it was.
Glove world. Mm.
Yo, core memory, bro.
Yeah, word. That's crazy,
So funny. When you said that, I was thinking the same thing.
dude.
Yo, y'all are still going crazy.
Beautiful.
Bink. That's what we're gonna start doing now. That's so funny, bro.
Nice. Yo, it seems like everyone in chat liked the stream. Nice.
Oh, look at you, gold juice. And
30 minute. 30 minutes stayed true.
oh,
30 minutes stood
True.
strong, man. To the moon.
what was the news? Bad numbers for the Chicago PMI. So gold start going up.
Very nice.
Isn't that funny how like price action and the fundamentals like go together? We saw the green numbers bring gold down at 8:30,
Mm.
and then they came out red, and then it goes up. Fine.
Too funny. Yeah, 30 minute held strong there. $30-minute fake out back into the range. Let's take a look at the 4-hour now. 4-hour still moving up. Never broke the highs yet, but $15. Notice how the 15 closed above, and that allowed the 30-minute to push. Hey. Oh, damn. Oh, what are these?
The clap.
Oh, is that what they are? The clap?
Yeah, well,
Just make
I
it
don't
clap.
know. Because I was giving a high five. Bink.
Oh, high fives.
Yeah, they like that. They start going crazy. Dude, the whole chat was there for like 3 minutes. Yo, give me
Bink.
a high five, bro. Bink.
Bink, bink. So yeah, if you were in buys, I would have took profit right there, right around that resistance there. Can this move be considered a 30-minute bullish breakout? Yes. Yep. Fake out, I mean? Yeah. Fake out, yeah. Yeah, because the 30 closed back above. Right? 30 closed back above. Therefore, 930 was going to push us up. Now, with news happening, or anything could happen here. So, with news, being that the 4-hour and the 1-hour is still very bearish, it was very tough to take that closure, take positions off that closure, especially with news at 9:45 there. So yeah, not a bad move. If you woke up and didn't even look at the news today, then yeah, pretty good position. But knowing that news was coming out and these other time frames were a bit bearish, best to wait there. But technicals, man, technicals always play himself out. Still respected 1-hour highs though, and 4-hour highs here. What up, winning streak? Yeah, we got a 10 a.m. red folder here. Yep. What up, C4?
Yeah, I didn't like those buys because of the 1-hour and 4-hour.
Ditto. See how strong the 30-minute confirmations are, though? Right? Everything else, the only thing that lined up there was the 30, and then that's the one that played out. I was on sells and stop loss hit. That sell was wrong or not? Please explain, brother. It was a 30-minute celery. No, it wasn't a 30-minute celery, right? So You got to look at the fine details. So what separates a 30-minute celery from a 30-minute fake out is sometimes just a pip or two, right? And you notice how there was a strong support here. And this candle closed back above it, right? So that candle closing above, that what that closure does is that scratches the idea of the celery play to move down, right? Because you're closing back above the range now. And if you're closing back above the range, then that is considered a fake out. So that's why you see price moved up there, right? With volume coming in. So volume came in and pushed this move up to fill this wick, right? When volume comes in, a lot of times that's when wicks will get filled and resistances or supports will get retested. So the little thin thread from this closure right above or below this blue line makes all the difference. So really understanding that and understanding where the support is, right? The support was right here. So unless we actually close below here, then you know, this was chalked here. Make sense? You gotta be careful. Yeah, there's a fine line there, right? Just what is this? What's the difference here? 3 pips. So 3 pips can make a huge difference, and that's why it's very important to see where those candles close. Right? If this bullish candle closes below, then yes, you break those lows, high chance of moving down, but back in the range, most likely moving up. Yeah. Got you. So this was a fake out with a flip entry. Yeah, I think the flip was really your only option there. Once candle flip. I think it flipped and made a little high. So if you didn't enter on the flip, you just wait for that high to break. Would you take a buy if support was formed on pound yen? Maybe. Yeah, it's an hour candle closure too. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, you create support. You should potentially start to move back up now. Let's take a look at the daily here. Daily's in a bit of a rough area here too. That's the issue with pound yen is the 4-hour close right at resistance there. So that's why I'm thinking it may need a deeper pullback, more than the 30 and the 1 hour. There may be a deeper pullback needed on the 4-hour here. Oh, nice! Already the 1st of November here in Australia. Monthly chart still going. Yeah, look at this month. Let's see the monthly here on gold. Gold monthly, man, just trying to potentially close above all this madness here. So today's a bit of a tough day here, right? Because we need to make a decision on the monthly time frame. Oh, daily candle gonna move up here today? 4-hour highs are coming up. Interesting. Wow. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the Nasdaq here. Oh, damn. Did you guys take this? Who took it? Anyone? Nice 1-hour resistance here. Beautiful drive back down. That's what I like about NAS 100. It moves similar to gold. See how you got a support here, and then you came up, create a resistance, and you came down, retest the support, and then moved up to retest the resistance, all while creating a new resistance, and at the same time then retapping into that support. Crazy, right? Yeah, I like this pair. Trades similar to gold. They just come up, create resistance, come down, retest support, come up, retest resistance, back down, retest support. Gold juicing. Let's see where the news takes us here in 5 minutes. Oh, some news on gold. Oh, about the war. Yeah, yeah, we may see a juicer here on gold. See how news comes out. Yeah, a lot of developing stories here.
True. I think gold is in for juice or something.
Did anything come out on the news over the weekend?
Not that
Or did they take weekends in during war?
It's funny because it's like wars only happen during London session or
Monday
ESO
through
session.
Friday.
Monday through Friday, yeah.
Yeah, man.
But it's like, it's so funny because it's like Asian session or London session because like technically that's when the day starts.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? Like,
Asian,
we're
yup.
behind over in the, we're behind in the world.
Yeah,
over in this
technically
States.
it's the last session here.
Sure.
Yeah, at noon it's like what, China and them, they'll be in like the next day already. Crazy.
Yeah, they're living in the
Monthly
future.
close are looking crazy. Looking problem. What is next month? November. November looking problematic.
Do we scrape all-time highs here in November with a weekly celery?
I think so. I think we have a lot of factors that could lead to very bullish gold. We have obviously the war going on, but then they're all with the FOMC tomorrow. If they continue to hold the rates where they're at, then we can see gold keep moving up.
Juicers, back to juicers.
As long as they don't hike. Yeah. And then we'll have to see like what's, and then the next thing on the list I'll be looking at would be NFP Friday.
The mic is not. I think it might be Sam's mic. I think your mic's low.
It might be. I messed it up earlier. I accidentally unplugged it.
Sam's mic volume's low, son.
Yeah, I think it's because I accidentally unplugged it. Yeah, what tomorrow? Like tomorrow we even have ADP NFP, so we'll get a clue tomorrow of what Friday might look like in the morning. At 8:15, they're expecting an increase from the previous month. So we'll see. I mean, that would be good for the dollar, but bearish for gold. But we'll see. I bet we'll see some red numbers tomorrow.
10 wins, 5 losses. Account still balanced. Why? 3 massive losses. 3 big boy losses. All right. Yeah, one day lost 20,000 here. And then the other big loss, I believe, was like an $11,000 loss. Yeah, right here. Yep. So those 3 losses hurt me. So that's where we're battling back from. All right, so 1 hour candle closed here, closed above the range nicely. We do have news though in the way here. So let's see if news can come out, drive us down, and we may attempt like a position we took the other day, right? When news came down or news came out, drove us down, rebroke the high, and then, you know, potentially blast off. Let's see spreads here. Spreads aren't bad. 1.2. Let's see if we have any better stops. 15 stops. There's really nothing better here. Ooh. We may come back down. $26 pips. $80 pips, no FOMO. Yeah, I don't have buy stops yet. 30 pip stops. There's a resistance here, about 20 pips. Yeah, this may go. Let's go down now. Yeah, if we break the high, I don't know if we're going down. But we'll see. This is a news candle, so we'll just give it a few and see what happens here. No FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO. Let's see. Are we going to continue to blast off here? 15 closed above as well. Yeah, 15 closed above as well. 30 closed above. 1 hour closed above. But news may throw this candle around a little bit. Had 3 sell orders near the top. Oh. Would you sell it? Set like a sell limit? Are you guys in a buy position? No, I'm not in any buys. Yeah, I didn't get into these buys. Why no buy stops? I don't like this. I don't like this. This is a news candle here. This can get thrown around quite a bit. So I don't necessarily like it just yet.
Got some resistance to the left too.
Yeah. What pair are we looking at here? We are looking at XAU USD. Buy now? Oh, I'm not gonna buy just yet. My opinion, yeah, it may work. I don't know, but doesn't look that great to me. So that's why I held off. But I mean, if we re-break those highs, then yeah, you'll probably see a push up. Da, da. Yeah, let's see what the... Yeah, there's a big resistance, like 12 pips away here. Out of curiosity, what would be your ideal buy? Oh man, we pushed up a bit here. So look, this is the range we're currently in. So if we're currently in this range, we'll call it the purple range. We don't really have much room in this range, right? If we enter, the most logical entry would be probably sitting maybe above here, right? So there's not too much room in this range, right? So yes, price can move all the way up, but we're somewhere near the top of this current range. So maybe if we can come down, right, and then move down and form like a new range, like a new support down in the yellow area, then that would be the ideal buy, right? Because we would like to move down and then move back up. But yeah, above here gets a bit choppy as well, right? You've got a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance here. So I don't know, this doesn't look the greatest. Maybe no trade day? Maybe. Actually, no, we took a trade already. Yeah, we took 10 pips on gold buys earlier. But yeah, that might be the only trade of the day here. We'll see. We'll see. How's the daily looking and the 4 hour? Did we break? Yeah, we did break the 4 hour highs here. Daily's still open. I don't know. We'll wait. We'll wait. I'll wait like another 30-minute candle here. Stay live till next Friday? Holy. Damn.
2-week stream?
Stream till next Friday. Damn, I don't know if my wife would like that one.
He said, yes, sir.
I asked for educational purposes. Thanks for clarification. Oh, you're welcome. I'm not sure what the question was, but you're welcome. Oh, give Moses. Oh yeah, the ideal buy, right? Yeah. Boy. High five. What's up, big man?
Mavi. They give you high five, huh?
Havoc boy.
High five. What
Bink.
was it again? Bink. Maybe boy, bink.
They started saying it in the chat before I even got to, bro. Y'all are too quick.
When you got the big loss, did you almost come near to blowing your account? I might have. I forget. I think I was down 5 or 6% at one point. I don't know. Some of you guys probably know better than me. Was I close to blowing my account, gang? Some of you guys, y'all be keeping up with my P&L more than you keep up with your own P&L. Do you eat candy? Nah, I hate candy. Every now and then I'll grab like a bag of Skittles or something, but that's like once a year. Well, that's not candy. There's chocolate candy?
Not the cap.
In one day he did. Yeah, one day I blew like 4% one day. I blew like 20,000 in one day.
Yeesh.
Two,
Isn't that 5?
yeah, it was a little bit under. It was two pretty decent trades, I'll be honest. There wasn't much we could have done. Buy or sell, Maverick? Buy or sell, buddy. Can you guys see him? Can't see him down here. He's sitting on the chair. Ah. Say what up to everyone. Speak up. Talking to the mic, little man. There you go. Let them know how you're feeling today. Tell them you're feeling blessed and highly favored. There you go, right? My bad. I got 2 bags of Skittles. Oh. Yeah, Skittles every now and then, but like once a year. The only reason I remember that is because I actually bought a pack of Skittles maybe like 2 weeks ago. It's the first time in a long time. Oh yeah, 7K. Yeah. I think I made since the live stream though, I think I made about like 15,000 back. Since the 24. Oh no, not 15, like 10,000 back. Something like that, I forget. He looks like my boy who's 2 years old. Oh, nice. Yeah, he's 1. He'll be 2 in July. Lele is still sleeping, right? Yeah, Lele's still out. She's out like a light.
Dreaming.
Slept through the flight.
Give him the magic keys. July, which date? 7th? Yeah, July 7th, yep. 7th of July is his birthday. 7/7. Yeah, he loves to cuddle. He's a big cuddler, man.
Real.
Pete the G, don't tell me that's your birthday. Oh, your daughter is 7/7 too? Oh, nice. Awesome. Yeah, it's a good birthday. G the Pete. Oh, just think juicing, man. Just keep juicing here. Let's get in EJ. Let's do it. Yeah, gold pushing here. 1 minute for this 30-minute closure here, or 15-minute closure. Tapped into that resistance. My wife and I first started dating on July 7th. All right, Crypto Madden. July 7th is a big date out here. Oh, 11th and the 15th. Rob trades. Wow. Gold is running. Running since 9:30 here. Spreads are lower on EJ. Yeah, I would think so too. Yeah, spreads are much higher on gold, I think. 4-hour juice box. Yeah, 30-minute. Hey, that's why I preach so hard on the 30-minute time frame, because it's such a good time frame here, man. But yeah, this is a bit difficult. Given that the 4-hour and the 1 hour are very bearish. What about pound yen? Pound yen. Oh, look, trying to create a support here. 15 close with very little. Oh no, this 15 is still open. Yeah, 15 close with no top. Or I think we got a top wick. Yeah, pound yen's pretty tough here today too. Like, we need to pull back. If we can pull back and leave a support closure down here for a wick fill and then retest that resistance, that would be much better. Yeah, right now we're just moving on up. And then gold, we're just moving up here. Coming into that next resistance level here. See it right here? So we're tapping in there. Are you going to be in Asian session tonight? Yes, Alexandru. My partying is officially over. No more parties here. Strictly business and Asian session again. The dessert bender has come to an end. Oh, nice, dude. I was down 7.5% in 17th of October. Fighting back to 1.5% positive. Let's go. Let's go, bro. So made like 9% last month. Beautiful.
Way to be the example.
Why I didn't take this entry? Which entry? Which one? Asian session? Yeah, I'll probably be in the Discord for Asian. I'm not going to stream Asian tonight, but maybe we'll stream Asian. It's definitely one day in November. Yeah, gold is gone. Gold's gone, ladies and gents. Goner. Left without us. Yeah, I think our only way in potentially was on this 30-minute fake out. But again, higher time frames weren't in the best conditions for us to take a buy there. Although we did have a volume coming in, it just, I don't know, it just didn't feel right there. So didn't take that trade. Plus there was also news. We were also consolidating on the 15. So yeah, didn't want to take that buy there. Although it worked out very nice. So shout out to the 30-minute time frame. But I think that will do it. Yeah, I think that's going to be the day. So we're creeping back up here. So we'll take our 10 pips on this Tuesday and keep it moving. Maybe another opportunity in London. Yeah, I mean Asian. Cool.
Beautiful.
Cool. Beautiful.
Yeah. All right.
That's all. See you guys tomorrow.
Have
Have
a
a good day.
good
The boys, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.
Take it easy, John. Take it easy, Nick. Take it easy, chat.
All right, boys.
Take it easy, Zoom. I'm gone.
Later. All right, chat. Yeah, we'll take our 10 pips. We'll walk away here today. Let's let this monthly candle close, and tomorrow we begin a new month. So end of the month, let's get rid of everything. And you know, right now what I'm currently just gonna watch is, will we actually close above? Right? Will the monthly candle end up closing above here today? And if it does, will we be able to come up and fill these wicks next month? So if we don't close above, it could be could move down, right? So we'll keep an eye on this closure over the next 6 hours or so. But that's gonna be it. 10 pips here today, and we'll take it and we'll leave and we'll come back tomorrow, look for some better price action. All right. Cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Z Gamer, all the mods, thank you guys for coming by today, holding it down. We should have Shiro back in a day or two. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, gotta trade. Later, Luke. Oh, I think Luke was right. Good job, Luke, on the buys there. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys in Asian session. And if I do take anything in the New York session, which I don't think is going to be the case here today, but I will let you guys know in the signals channel. So W gang, love y'all. Hope you guys have a good one. Be blessed today. And I'll see you tomorrow. Later.